Hello traders, today in this video I share a trading strategy that has generated almost 2 million for its creator Darwis, and I will backtest this for 100 times, so let's see what happens. So you guys know I try my best in this channel to bring a valuable content and valuable strategies, and I am also a day trader, and I am not someone who didn't have any experience in crypto trading. I have more than 2 years of trading experience in this field, so I will try my best to bring the most profitable strategies, and I will also suggest you to join my Telegram group, and I post related to crypto and Bitcoin and overall market. So, and I will also suggest you to please subscribe my channel and make it #1 channel on YouTube, so I can bring more powerful strategies. So viewers, let's jump to our indicator setup. First of all, change the time to 1 hour, and we will search for indicators. First of all, Darwis box buy and sell. So this one you can note it down, and you will click on this, and then we will use EMA. You can use any EMA, and then we will use relative strength index, that is RSI. So this is and we will go to setting, and we will change only to 200. We need 200 EMA, so I will increase opacity, and that's okay. And then we will do some settings with RSI. So go to the settings of RSI, and then you will go to input and decrease this value to 6. So it will we will use this as a volume spike, so that's it. So traders, let's start our strategy. First of all, buying rules. For buying, let's see our rules. First of all, our candles should be above 200 moving average, and RSI should be above the upper line or upper boundary, and there should be a buy from Darwis. And you can see 200 moving average candle is above that, and you can use stop loss close to or below the red line of Doris box, and we can use 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Let's see. So you can see this is a winning trade, and we can get out of this trade. I will tell you later another method. First of all, you can see here the moving average is below, so we will not take this signal. That I want to tell you another false signal, so in this strategy. And here you can see it is going up, that's why we taken this signal and not the other one. Now for selling conditions, first of all, the candles should be below the 200 moving average, and you can see here the candles are not below 200 moving average. We will not take this short signal. So you can see, let's see. So here you can see this one short position is below 200 moving average. So, and you can also see our RSI is below the lower boundary, and moving average is also going to go down, and it is almost straight up. And then you can see we can use 1.5 raised to reward ratio, and our stop loss will be above, just like the previous case, towards green. So let's see. So here you can see it's going down. Let's extend this. So RSI is above the line. That is not a good thing for us. So you can see we are not end with this trade yet. So another tip for you is, whenever RSI goes above the upper boundary, then get out of that trade. There is no much profit for that trade. So that's it. And Now let's see some other trades. So here is also a short position. Let's see where it can go. Another short position by the indicator, and you can see we can close this because RSI is above the lower boundary. Another short position, we can take this short position too, and let's see where it can go. Here is our short position, stop loss, and you can see stop loss is hit. So that's our lowest trade. So let's find another trade. Here you can see it's a buying position because we have RSI above the upper boundary, and candles are also about 200 moving average. And let's see where it can go. So this one also a losing trade. This was not going great. I don't know. It's not a bad strategy. I think market can play sometime. Not in another thing, that tip I want to tell you, whenever there is a ranging market means 200 in a straight position, you will not take trade. You will take trade only when the EMA is either upward increasing or downward decreasing, not towards straight. So let's do our back testing. So after back testing this strategy for almost 100 trades, our result is we have 46 winners and 54 loser. Our win rate is almost 46%. At last, I will tell you some tips. That is, first of all, this strategy is great for spot trading, and secondly, it is best when there is a new crossover from 200 moving average. Mean if candles goes below 200 moving average for the first time, then you can use with greater probability for one or two trades, and similarly when it cross above or upward.